ThinkPad P14s Gen 3 mobile workstation. Real power that truly moves. Powered by up to 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processors. Superb Wi-Fi connectivity and ports, including Intel Thunderbolt 4. Integrated Intel graphics. Light, high-performance 14 inches mobile workstation, ISV certified. Next general storage for seamless multitasking. Secure and durable, tested to work in almost any environment. Perfect for high performance on the go, professionals, educators, and students. Innovate freely, anywhere. Perfect for high performance on the go. The ThinkPad P14s Gen 3 mobile workstation gives entry-level professionals, educators, and students alike the ability to innovate freely. Anywhere. ISV certified *, with up to 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processors and integrated Intel graphics, it powers through applications like AutoCAD, Revit, and SolidWorks without missing a beat. Thunderbolt 4 is a hardware interface that utilizes the reversible USB-C connector and features a maximum throughput of 40 gigabits per second when used with compatible devices. The connector also transmits data via USB 4 at up to 20 gigabits per second, and DisplayPort support allows you to connect an 8K monitor or up to two 4K displays simultaneously. Additionally, you can daisy chain up to 6 devices from a single Thunderbolt 4 port. USB 3.2 General 1 features a maximum throughput of 5 gigabits per second. USB 3.2 General 1, USB 3.1 General 1, and USB 3.0 are synonymous. (14.0 inches WUXGA, 1920x1200, IPS, anti-glare, 300 nits. A shutter slides to block the webcam when it is not in use. Quick login. Use the Fingerprint reader and Windows Hello compatible webcam to quickly log into your system without having to enter a password. Your needs, your configuration. With up to 48 GB of lightning-quick DDR4 memory and up to 2 TB of next-general PCIe Gen 4 NVMe storage, the ThinkPad P14s Gen 3 can be configured to meet your exact needs.